how long have you been on HelloTalk?
Like 3 months
And why do you want to learn English?
because I had used to English before, but I forgot now.
Your English was better many years ago,
Yes.
but after you got married and after you had children, you forgot a lot of English.
Yes. Thank you
What
explaining
you
everything.
No problem. No problem. I understand. What do you want to do with English?
So I wanna teach my daughter for English again. So I'm learning now.
You are learning English to teach your children.
Yes.
I think you are an excellent human being. That is a sacrifice and a good thing to do. You are investing in yourself so that you can invest in others. So, are you studying other languages or only English?
Only English.
Okay. And how about your oldest child? Does he speak English?
No.
Your house looks comfortable.
You see that?
Yeah. It looks very cozy. Cozy means comfortable.
Thank you.
Do you know the word cozy? I said your home is cozy. Do you know this word?
Okay.
Cozy means
Yeah.
comfortable.
Okay.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?